The 2024 Audi Q5 is a rolling embodiment of the phrase well-rounded. It combines comfort, fashion, features, and build quality to achieve predictable behavior and appeal above cutting-edge dynamics or daring flair. If there is one flaw in the Q5 formula, it is the relatively unimpressive handling. Buyers still love its honest nature, which has propelled it to become the brand's best-selling model. A choice of 3 powertrains undoubtedly helps to broaden its appeal. The base 201 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder gives adequate performance, while a 261 horsepower 4 is available. The list is topped by a 362 horsepower plug-in hybrid, which offers power and efficiency in a socially desirable packaging. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard throughout the lineup. Technophiles will like the Q5's digital features and driver assistance. Not to mention the interior's rational and tidy layout. Check out the performance-focused SQ5 and its turbocharged V6, reviewed separately, if you enjoy the spirit of the Q5 but find the hardware a little lackluster. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio or the Porsche Macan might be a better option if you have a little more money to spend and require even more tactile and visual thrill. The Q5's roomy, cozy cabin and simple access and exit are some of its alluring features. Although the conventional touchscreen may be better integrated, the brand's take on luxury is reflected in the tasteful materials and simple yet practical layout. 38 inches of rear seat legroom goes a long way toward keeping passengers happy, and the ride is quiet both in town and on the highway.